9 part 1 is an r sine theta plus alpha question, but it's harder than the usual type of question that we get. We need to use the addition formula to begin with to rewrite cos theta minus 60. So that's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to use my addition formula on this. So I'm going to get cos theta cos 60 plus sine theta sine 60. Cos of 60 is a half, so that gives me a half cos theta, and sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. So 5 of these, 5 cos theta minus 60, is going to be 5 over 2 cos theta plus 5 root 3 over 2 sine theta. We've got 5 cos theta minus 60 plus 3 cos theta, so I need to add on 3 cos thetas now. Rather than writing it as 3, I'm going to write that as 6 over 2. That's the same as 3, so that it can be combined with this 5 over 2 here. So I've got 5 over 2 cos thetas plus another 6 over 2 cos thetas. That's going to be 11 over 2 cos thetas. And we want to write that in the form r sine theta plus alpha. So again, using the addition formula on this, that can be written as r times sine theta cos alpha plus r sine alpha cos theta. So they're equal to each other. To solve r for r and alpha here, we're going to look at what happens when theta equals 0 first. And when theta equals 0, we're going to get that cos theta is 1, cos of 0 is 1, so we get 11 over 2 times 1, so just 11 over 2, plus what we get when sine theta, when theta equals 0, and when sine of 0 is 0, so that's just going to be nothing at all. On the right hand side, sine theta is 0 at this point, and cos theta is 1, so we get r sine alpha. When theta equals 90, we're going to get this time cos theta being 0 and sine theta being 1. So we just get 5 root 3 over 2 because sine theta is 1, and we're going to get r cos alpha this time, again because cos theta is 0. For this particular, we've never had to do a question where we've got a 2 on the bottom here. There's 2 ways you can deal with that. You can draw a triangle and have the hypotenuse as 2r for when we divide by this, or you could have the opposite as 11 over 2. We could do 11 over 2 over r. It doesn't matter, it's not going to make any difference. You could even rewrite this as 5.5, 5.5. If you're more comfortable with doing that. What I'm going to do that third option. I'm going to write that sine alpha is 5.5 over r, or cos alpha is 5 over 2, 2.5 root 3 over r. I think you guys will be most comfortable with this third option, so that's why I'm going with this. It's not the best way. It's not the most correct way. I just think that that's what you will understand me doing the most. So now I've got my alpha here. This is my opposite over my hypotenuse. So we've got 5.5 r and 2.5 root 3 here for my adjacent, causes adjacent over hypotenuse. Solving that, we're going to get that tan alpha is the opposite over the adjacent. So that means alpha will be the inverse tan of that. So inverse tan of 5.5 divided by 2.5 root 3 is 51.8. And r is going to be the square root of 5.5 squared plus 2.5 root 3 squared. Which is a nice round 7. So that gives me a bit of confidence that I think I've done it right because I've got a nice number there. So the final answer is that it can be written, the original question can be written as 7 sine theta plus 51.8.